Oh shit! Look at it go, it's mint. It's taking ages, it's just that, what you did to it was just make it fly around in circles.
I just bent the wings, inverted them both on sides.
This one.
It's gone.
Uh-oh.